Hello guys, we're back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing the normal elevator. So let's just do this thing. Okay. So I'm just going in the elevator. Okay. I'll mute the game. So maybe tired. Cause there might be copyright music. What's wrong with my shirt? No. Okay, now wait. Okay. Okay. Did we ask? Ooh. What's this guy gonna do? Oh crap! Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, save me. Bad noob. That's a bad noob. Okay, so, this should be a fun video. I already got throw up on me, okay? So this is gonna be good, okay? Okay, just 20 more seconds. Animations, no, okay. I'm not doing it. Then I'll basically be out of Roblox. Oh god, I'm not doing it. Ah! So what's this shop about? Buy coins, no, okay, here. What's this? I am getting some spooky vibes. Wow, I'll go where everyone else is. What's happening? What is happening? No, someone tell me. Right this instant, someone tell me. Okay, oh no. What the? Oh, please no. I'm innocent. Okay, that was weird. Second. Okay. Okay. This is good. Okay, the video's going good so far. So oh god. Oh no. Okay, I have no idea what's happening. But it looks like something terrible is happening. And that's a big elevator. Wow. So I've played this game. Last time I played it was like 2 years ago. I forget everything about it. Wow. Just wow. What is happening? Just the wow. Okay, now let's just wait for the next one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Let's see what other crap there is. Okay, let me in. I want it. What? Did they get it? Why? Why do they get it? I wanna eat. I wanna eat. I wanna eat. Okay, guys, we got this, okay, recording's doing good so far. I feel like this is gonna be a fun video. The rest of the time, it's probably gonna be fun. Who are you? I still don't know what this guy is saying. Okay, now I know, but why would you just say that? Did we even ask? Oh god, I have no idea what's happening. Wait, what's this? What is this? What is this? I'm standing right here for no purpose and for no reason. What's happening? What the heck? No! Wait, what? No! No! That went poorly. Oh, time to go back in the elevator. Okay, we got it. We got it this time. Just bring us there already, please. SpongeBob? Can I go in here? Oh, God. Yes! No! Bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna be stuck in this elevator for another, like, 50 years. So, that's just gonna be great. Funny thing, oh god. Okay guys, we got this, okay, I'm just gonna, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Oh yeah. What's going on? Okay, so, let's bring us to the next floor and then it will be okay. Okay. Animation. Sit. Okay. What's this? Show me the goodies. I want to go out there. I want to go out there. Yeah. Let me out there. Not anymore. Okay, wait, there's multiple elevators. Oh god. Wait, are we next? Wait, what? What? Oh my god! Okay. Okay. Wow. That just... ouch. Okay, so, I'm so confused about this guy. And the video's almost over. Just a few more floors and then the video's over and I'm still confused about this guy. Oh god, no. Please, no. What's happening? Wait, what? What? Wait, what? No! 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 Let me out of here. Oh yeah, okay, I'm resetting now. I'm resetting. Wow. Oh my god, just... What the heck was that? Okay, I'm heading back. I don't know what the heck that was. Wow, I have no idea what that was. This game's not that bad, actually. I forgot about it from like 50,000 years ago from the last time I played it. But still, it's a good game. And this guy. What's happening here? Oh my god! Which one is this? I'm out. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh! Wow. Yeah, wow. Okay, so what's this thing gonna do? Go to the next one right now. Go now. Go now. No, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Please say I spelled it right. I'm an idiot if I didn't. Wait, did I hit it? Oh, wait, I think I hit it. Okay, okay. What is that? Is it toast? Waffles? Okay. Yeah. I don't hear anything because I have the game muted. Because I don't want to get copyrighted because I heard there's background music. What the? Okay, I'm gonna just cry in the corner now. And, I'm gonna just cry in this corner, and, this corner, and then, this corner. And then back to this corner. And back to this corner. Okay. Wait, did we get to film a movie? Wait, is this a movie studio? Hey, I want to be part of the movie. I'm part of the show now. Oh my god, I'm staying up here. No! Oh. Is this a picture? Everybody say cheese. Cheese. Wait. Okay, now we're back in here with this guy. Okay, and now. Oh god, I'm gonna have to end the video in like a minute. This is about to be the longest video I ever made, and it's only gonna be like 15 minutes. Like usual, like every video. What was that? What's happening? What the? Wait, what? Guy, you might want to help yourself. Because I don't know if we're going to make it out of this, and this is Big Bane, and, I have no idea if we're going to make it out. Okay, we're dead. Okay. No, I can't even move. Wait. No! That was his last words! No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. It's because I don't think we're gonna be able to do another one even though, okay, let's just try and do one more. But if it's a long one, I'm gonna have to end it. Okay, what is happening? I want to go in the room. Let me in the room. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video once this floor is over. Okay, I'm gonna have to end it now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and bye-bye, guys.